Hello dear students, welcome to the video class. Today we are going to take up a new chapter, chapter number 3, Fiber to Fabrics. In this chapter we are going to see what are fibers, what are the different types of fibers, and mainly we are going to discuss about two types of fibers that are obtained from plants. So first, let us see what are fibers. Fibers are the long thread-like structure that is obtained from different sources. It may be from plants or it may be from animals. The fibers are divided into two types. Natural and artificial fibers. Natural fibers are the ones that are obtained from the living organisms. It may be plants or it may be animals. For example, the silk fiber, for example, the cotton fiber. Artificial fibers are the ones that are made by men using chemical substances. So, according to the materials that are used for making the fibers are divided into natural fibers and artificial fibers. The artificial fibers are also known by another name, synthetic fibers. So, this is the types of fibers. Now, let us pick up the first fiber that is included in this chapter, that is the cotton fiber. The cotton fiber is obtained from the fruits of the cotton plant, which we call it as a cotton ball. The cotton ball, after it gets mature, it used to burst, and from that, the cotton fiber, which are white in color, used to get developed. So in order to obtain the fiber of this cotton plant, the first process that is involved is known as ginning. During this process, the cotton fiber are being combed so that the fiber and the sheets can be separated out. After it, the second process that is involved is the conversion of the fiber that we obtain from the cotton ball into yarn. This process of converting the cotton fiber into yarn, we call it as the spinning. The spinning process is one of the important processes during the obtaining of this cotton fiber because the spinning used to increase the strength of the fiber. Depending upon the number of fiber or the thread-like structure that is used and the way how they are spun, the different fibers are obtained. These fibers are given different names depending upon the number of turn that is being used and the number of fiber that is utilized in order to make the yarn. The last process that is involved during the obtaining of this cotton fiber is the conversion of this fiber into fabrics. That is a cloth, piece of cloth that is used for making different type of weaving materials or cloth materials. That process is known as weaving. About this weaving, another process is also used in order to convert the fiber into fabrics, that is known as knitting. During this weaving process, different type of machines as well as different type of materials are used. These machines are used to convert or used to interweave different fibers in order to make fabrics. So this is how the cotton fiber is obtained from the cotton plant. Now, let us come to the next type of fiber that is included in this chapter. The next fiber is the jute fiber. The jute fiber is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. In order to obtain the jute fiber, the jute plants, the harvested jute plants, they are being tied into bundle and they are being soaked in water for 2 to 3 days. After that, the jute fibers or the jute plants are being beaten on a hard substance so that the stem portion and the cover of the stem can be separated out. This process is known as retting. After the process of retting, the fibers of the jute plants are separated out from the stem. Then, it has been spun so that different type of fibers and different type of strength or the size according to our need can be obtained. So, in this way, the jute fiber is obtained from the jute plants. So, dear students, these are the things that we have to study from this chapter. So, for today, let's wind up here. Let's meet in the next video class. Thank you.